Hi, my name's Ben. I'm a UK based mountain leader and this is day 7 of my Pennine Way adventure. It's also the final episode. Before I start this episode, I've been racking my brains about what I want to do with this YouTube channel. Watch this space for more content like this, but also I've got I think it's like a healthy thirst to see people connecting with nature. And if I can offer that service, then that's where I want to be going with this. And because I want mountain leading to be my main source of income, my routine in life has had to change a lot to open up the space to be able to do that. So I'm going to start vlogging. I'm going to release those vlogs on a Wednesday and I'm going to share with you my routine. Anyway, here's day 7. I got up and my left foot was like, I don't want to move, so I've stretched it out a little bit and now it feels okay. It was a good night's sleep, good rest. I've broken today down into 5 bite-sized sections, so it's it's like 28 kilometers about. So I've got an 8-kilometer section to do this morning and then 4 5-kilometer sections, and then I'm going home. I'm just coming into Hawes now. This perfect English scene just unfolded in front of my eyes. Look, church with the flag, the St George's cross flying above it, and then in the backdrop you've got the Pennines. It's pretty stunning. Myself some pork pies and a coffee, and there's public toilets right there. Something happened to my left ankle. There was like a tear. I knew that if I stopped for a substantial amount of time, then I would end up not being able to walk on it properly. But with mind over matter, I just kept going and I knew that I was finishing at Tan Hill. Where are we? Stonersdale. We're at Stonersdale. It's beautiful. Catherine has been pacing me out, so I think we're going to make it to Tan Hill in 4 o'clock?
4 o'clock. No, 3.
3? We'll make it for 4 o'clock. I was saying 6, so that's how much quicker we've been going. I think I'm peeling on my nose. I'm a mile off Tan Hill pub, which is my finish. It's 5 to 4. Bumped into this girl called Catherine who was fell running, and she was like, we're getting to Tan Hill for 4 o'clock, and then she just set off walking at a pace and I just followed, and I thought I was going to get here for 6, man, so I'm well happy. Big ups to Catherine for that. The end for me on this section. Tan Hill pub. I don't know how many miles it is. It's a few, I know that much. Yeah, I've enjoyed making these and I'm going to quite miss it, but that's led me on to plan more adventures like this. I am going to put all these together so that you can watch them in one long episode if that's what you prefer. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and I'll see you next Monday for more Mountain Leader Mondays. In a bit.